Today, I'm going to show you how to make oat milk. Oat milk is so popular, but the only problem is in the store, it's so expensive. So now I'm going to show you how to make your own. You know, oat milk is one of the healthiest milk that you can drink. Nowadays, many of us can't drink cow's milk for many reasons. Being lactose intolerant, and also cow's milk causes inflammation in our body. And inflammation is one of the causes of all of our health issues. There's so many things in cow's milk, antibiotics and chemicals. So now let me show you how to make oat milk. You can get it made in 5 minutes. It's so simple, it's so inexpensive. Let's do it. So we're needing 4 cups of ice cold water, and this is very important. If you use room temperature or warm water, you're not going to make oat milk, you're going to make oatmeal. We're also needing 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. It should be certified and gluten-free. Other oats are processed, so make sure that it's certified oats. We're also going to need a teaspoon of vanilla, which adds flavor, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and I like mine unsweetened. Some people may want to use maple syrup. Make sure it's pure, or you can use honey. Now that's all you need, and you're going to blend this up for about a minute, and there you'll have it. The next step is you have to strain it because you need your milk to be creamy. So you're going to use a nut milk bag, and strain it. Now, I like to strain it 2 times. The more you strain it, the creamier your milk will be. And so I'm going to strain mine twice. And after that, I'm going to pour it in a glass. Now, a glass bottle will help it last longer. It will last for a week in the refrigerator. And that is it. You have oat milk that costs you nowhere near what it costs in the store. Enjoy. I'm so excited I made my own oat milk. And it's good. It's not slimy. That's why you got to use the cold water. This is delicious.